Hey, my smart friends. Well, you know the drill. First, we do the book, then we cover the workbook. So it's time to test you. Very well, this is American English File, 3rd edition, Level 1 Workbook, Part 1A. Welcome to the class. Part 1, Grammar, Subject, Pronouns, and Contractions. Everybody complete column 1 with the words in the box, then write the contraction in column 2. Okay? For example, full form, I am. Contraction, I'm. Full form, you are. Contraction, you're. Next one, he is, his. She is, she is. It is, it's. We are, we're. They are, they're. Just like the book. Pronouns are you, he, she, it, and contractions. Very well. Now, I need you to complete the sentences with apostrophe M, apostrophe S, or apostrophe RE. Hello, you're in my class. Number 2, I'm Louise. Number 3, it's Thursday. Number 4, we're in room 317. 317. Number 5, she is in a taxi. And number 6, they're teachers. You're doing great. It's time to test you. Everybody complete the conversations with a subject pronoun, are you, he, she, it, we, they, and apostrophe M, apostrophe S, or apostrophe RE. Just like the previous exercises, the exercises before, but it's your turn. Stop the video, take your time, and do it yourself. No help from me. Very good. And if you have done it, check with your friends, learn from each other, and now it's my turn. Number 1 is done. What is your phone number? What's your phone number? It's 555-3148. That's how you read the numbers. Number 2, how are you? I'm fine, thanks. Number 3, Alex and Beth are students. They're at school in San Francisco. Number 4, is Anna in your salsa class? No, she's in my English class. Number 5, hi, I'm Monica. You're my partner. Okay, very good. Number 6, this is Mark. Introducing, this is Mark. He's your teacher. And last one, are you and Oliver in class 2? No, we're in class 3. You got it. It's headphones time. You can see my headphones. Pronunciation. Everybody write the words in the chart. Fish. Okay, fish. Tree. Cat. Egg. Train. Okay, and bike. I. These are called vowel sounds. Okay, I, E, A, O, U. Take your time, do it. There's no rush. Listen and check. Put the words in the chart. Let's do it together.
1.1 File 1A Pronunciation B Fish 6 In
Tree. Meat. 3.
Cat Man Thanks
Egg. 10. Well.
Train 8 Day
Bike. Fine. Nice.
Very good, very nice. Another thing, the stress. Listen and underline the stressed syllable. For example, look, sandwich, sandwich. The stress is on the first syllable. Sandwich. Listen and underline. Your turn again.
1.2 File 1A Pronunciation D 1,
Sandwich.
2, tennis. 3,
18.
4, 13. 5,
Basketball.
6, goodbye. 7,
Email.
8, internet. 9,
Computer.
10, hotel.
Very good. So, if you want to speak naturally, if you want to speak English very good, pay attention to the stress. Okay, time to check your memory. Very good. So, put the words in order to make days of the week. Remember to start with a capital letter. The days start with the big letter. For example, look at number 1, Saturday, big S. Look, you should start using the big letters for days. And in the other one, you need to continue the series. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Easy. Let's do it together. You can also stop the video and do it yourself. So, number 2, Sunday. Number 3, Thursday. Number 4, Monday. Number 5, Friday. Number 6, Wednesday. D is silent. Wednesday, not Wednesday, no, Wednesday. And number 7, Tuesday. Well done. Now, the series. Number 2, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 or 20, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15. You got it. As for this part, look at the week. All right? Very good. Complete the sentences with days of the week or numbers. This is the plan of Blanca Martin. Okay? For example, I have 3 classes on Monday. Yeah, look at Monday. Yeah, she has 3 classes. Okay, I have 6 classes. 6 classes. Which day is it? Can you tell me? 6 classes. Well, obviously Tuesday. I don't know how many classes on Wednesday. Look at Wednesday. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 classes on Wednesday. Number 4, I have 5 classes. 5 classes on Thursday. I have 4 classes on Friday. And I have, let's see, 2 classes on Saturday. Now, it's easy, yeah? Write your plan. Write the plan of your week, your classes, your gym sessions. Do it and compare it with your friends. This is the last set of today's exercise. I need you to complete the words with A, E, I, O, or U, vowel sounds. Let's go. Hello, I'm Lola. You're in my English class. What is number 2? Oh, nice to meet you, Lola. Number 3, nice to meet you, 2. Number 4, well, see you on Monday, Lola. Number 5, no, the class is on Tuesday, not Monday. Yeah, he said something wrong. He said Monday, but the class is on Tuesday. Oh, bye. Goodbye. A piece of chocolate cake. And that's it for the workbook exercise. Thank you for watching, everybody. If you have a question, you can comment down below and I will get back to you. And you can also contact me. And there are 2 links down there. One of them is the library link and the other one is the link to this slide. You can download the slides and use them. whether to teach somebody English or to just study them. Thank you for watching. Until then, my friends, see ya.